See straight. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Now repeat with me. I'm sorry for letting my ego lead in fear. Please forgive me for believing separation keeps me safe. Thank you for reminding me that humility brings space. I love you, and I now align ego with soul. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you.